In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make templates in Confluence. Templates help your team create consistent pages faster, so once you set one up, you'll save time on every future document. Start by opening Confluence and heading to your workspace home. From the navigation, open the Templates area. This is where you browse what's already available and begin building your own. Next, go into Manage Templates for the space where you want the template to live. Managing at the space level keeps your template organized and ensures only the right audience sees and uses it. Choose. Create a new template to open the editor. Give your template a clear descriptive title like Project Kickoff or Sprint Retrospective so teammates instantly know when to use it. Inside the editor, press the / to open Confluence's insert menu. This is the fastest way to add structure and interactive elements. For accountability, add an action item so tasks are trackable right from the page. If visuals matter, insert an image, a video, or attach a file to provide reference material without sending people elsewhere. Use a mention to notify teammates or stakeholders. They'll be alerted and can jump straight in. Add an emoji sparingly to set tone or call attention to a section while keeping things readable. To keep long pages tidy, insert an expand section. Viewers can open details when they need them without being overwhelmed. Build a table to organize lists, schedules, or comparisons. Tables make repeatable content much easier to scan. For technical docs, drop in a code snippet so formatting stays clean and easy to copy. Insert a status to quickly label something as to do, in progress, or done, and use consistent colors across your pages. Add an info panel to highlight tips, warnings, or decisions. Callouts help important notes stand out. Include a date so reviews, deadlines, or milestones are always clear. As you assemble the template, write short prompts in each section to guide authors on what to include. Keep headings consistent, group related content together, and aim for a layout that works on both desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your new template will now appear when you create a page in that space, making it easy for anyone to start with the right structure every time. That's the complete process for making templates in Confluence. Simple to build, powerful in day-to-day use. You can always return to manage templates later to refine it. Existing pages won't change and new ones will use the latest version. Happy documenting.